science of nutrition, grains, seeds, and the fruits with seed. We are able to understand yesterday when we experience our heritage with the concept, it is visible presence of formless omnipresence God. During this perception, when we start consuming food in the form of gases through the nose, in the form of liquid and solid through mouth. And that food will help in transforming the food substance into the substance which will accelerate our journey, our all activities towards a field where we will keep ourselves busy in creation, preservation and change. Therefore, when you feel heritage, when you are eating, do the experiment. It will take some time to understand it. Now come to the grains, seeds, and the fruits with seed. If we are taking the grain and seed, then generally we take some soup. Like my stomach is not good, I will take soupy rice. My stomach is not good, I want dal pani. Now if you eat correctly, you will not have any bad things. Sometimes we eat unnecessarily, we do not know what we are eating. Without bad eating, you cannot disturb your digestion. Let us decide we are going to eat grains and seeds. When you boil it, do not put much water in that. Put a minimum water, but it should be sufficient, pulpy, boiled, so that you can eat nicely. Should be minimum water, like dal. Put minimum water, make like rice. But the total quantity of protein should be 30 gram in 24 hours. How much dal content you will eat for 30 gram protein? Maybe around in 24 hours, 1 katori. Therefore, if you are in 24 hours you want 1 katori, then one time you need half katori. If you are taking more than that, you may have problem of uric acid, so many things. Try to adjust by your own. Do not take any food which is having 2 seeds split, like dal, legumes, it is having dicotyledons, and 2 are joined together. This is called dal. Remove this skin, you will find 2. But in wheat there is only 1, or rice there is only 1, corn there is only 1. Any seed grain have only 1 is having more strength, more powerful, more unity. When you are eating dal, should be less quantity. Rice, wheat, maize, barley, corn, you can take good quantity. This is the way how to cook the food. And the fruits, take fruits with the seed. This is the mango fruits. This is the skin of the mango. But generally we don't eat the skin. We are eating pulp. Okay, eat pulp, but skin, try to make it paste, chutney. Eat a chutney, you will like it. How can I eat chutney? In the pickles, what you eat? Only skin. Mango pickles, what you are eating? Only skin. But inside this cell, seed, it is hard. You can suck, you can lick the surface, then cut it, then try to boil this, make into pieces and boil and make soup which has good minerals, calcium, etc. Inside seed you have to boil and eat. Therefore take fruits with seed. You have to consume the complete fruits. Any fruits, seedless fruits are having less nutrition. Now let us see the seed. Let us see the wheat. This is wheat. This is the germ cell, endosperm. Endosperm is the germ seed. And try to sow the wheat berry, then you will find a root is coming, then a stem is coming. And this seed will be converted into wheat plant. If germination starts, You should not stop its life cycle, let it grow. If there is no germination, then you can use it. You can boil it. You can make powder out of it. You do whatever. In that condition, there is no pain. Endosperm is having no pain until it starts animating itself, means germination. Therefore, when you take the complete grain and fruit which is mature, there is no pain in that. When you consume that, you will have sufficient nutrition, as well as you are not creating pain, you are not disturbing life cycle of plant. This is the important point, we should understand it. But remember, after knowing this, do you think that we are going to follow it? We need great willpower. If our aim is not in this life, we want to live willingly, we do not want to die in the bed, in the hospital or anywhere. We want to reach to the height as Paramahansa Yogananda left, Swami Yukteswar Lahiri Mahasaya. You have great desire in that, you will have a strong willpower to follow it. Otherwise you will miss it. This is for today. ये आज के लिए. Let us bow down to our devotion. We have in Kriya Yoga meditation. क्रिया योग में हम अपनी भक्ति को नमन करें. Return to original position and open eyes. पूर्व स्थिति में आए और आंखें खोलें.